Hey, this is Rick Schuler coming to you again. We're in Lauderdale, South Carolina at Shulers BBQ. And I'll tell you, since we've left home, this has been one of the best meals we've had. If you like barbecue, of course it's Southern style barbecue, Carolina style, it's vinegar based. But if you like barbecue, this is the place to come. And if you don't like barbecue, this is the place to come. They've got fried chicken, liver mash, they've got casseroles, crook neck yallowed squash casserole, sweet potato casserole, potatoes cooked, mashed potatoes. They've got meatloaf, fried chicken, and some of the best little biscuits you ever eat in your life, about that big around. So be sure and drop by Shulers BBQ. Like I said, it's here in Lauderdale, South Carolina. From now on, every time we come south, we're changing our route so we can come by here and have a meal. And they have a bakery, great desserts, banana pudding, strawberry cake, butterscotch cake. It reminds me a whole lot of when I was young and we used to go clear over into the mountains in Troutdale, Virginia to my little Lane's house where she cooked everything on the cook stove. Just good country cooking. And I don't think you'll be disappointed. Around $10 a person we come for lunch, and awful nice folks. And it was also featured on the television show The Prophet. So be sure and drop by here. Again, it's Shulers BBQ in Lauderdale, South Carolina. So until next time, this is Brother Rick saying I love you. You take care of yourself.